With gentle hands, I found the wood, olive branch with character stood, sand it smooth with loving care, each grain revealed beyond compare, creating beauty piece by piece. Wood and resin find their peace, a table born from nature's art, where craftsmanship and passion start. Built the mold with precision true, mix the resin, crystal blue, poured it slow, watched it flow around the wood, a special glow. Hours of work in patient ways transform raw materials day by day, until at last, before my eyes, a masterpiece begins to rise. How it stands, a work divine, where wood and resin intertwine, a treasure piece for all to see. This handmade gem sets beauty free.
Amulet bătrân pe masă, îi șlefuiesc să-i dau o casă. Am să-l transform într-o măsuță, astfel îi dau a doua viață. Rășina curge plin de formă, încet, încet îi dau contur. În masă las o amintire, în viitor îmi în curs.
Morning light hits concrete walls, another day begins to crawl. Racing through the parking lot, coffee cup is running hot. Elevators closing in, same damn routine once again. Can't remember when I slept living life and fast forward, yeah. These city streets ain't worth a damn when your soul's got nowhere to land. Nowhere to land. Monday through to Friday nights, working till the morning light. Thought success would make me whole. Now I'm just another soul, lost between the steel and stone. In this place I call my home, getting rich but feeling poor. Can't take this shit anymore. These city streets ain't worth a damn when your soul's got nowhere to land. Nowhere to land. I've been running from the truth I know. Been buying, spending, got nothing left to show. Now I see what I've become, just another mindless one, trading time for dollar bills, empty hands and sleeping pills. Think it's time to walk away, find myself another way, break these chains that hold me down, leave this God-forsaken town. These city streets ain't worth a damn when your soul's got no